How does a CNC machining process actually work, and which G-codes are responsible for each machining step? Let's take a closer look using this simulation from our CNC software, SYMplus. Everything begins with G54. This command activates the workpiece 0 point, establishing the reference point for all subsequent machining operations. The first tool, a 40 mm roughing end mill, machines roughly 1/3 of the workpiece, removing material in several passes until it reaches almost half the height of the raw stock. The newly created surface now needs to be tilted by 10 degrees. To do this, we first use G59 to shift the coordinate system to the lower surface. Next, G15AM10 rotates the machining plane by 10 degrees around the x-axis. Once the plane has been rotated, you simply continue programming as usual. The CNC control automatically recalculates all coordinates in the background. After that, the plane rotation is cancelled with G15 and G50 resets the coordinate system shift. Next, we switch to a 25 mm end mill to machine the geometry on the upper platform. The cutter first follows the outside edge, creating a large curved contour. With G41, the control automatically applies cutter radius compensation, while G2 moves the tool clockwise along the contour. The remaining material is then machined into a contour island. Using G46, the cutter approaches the contour tangentially, creating a smooth entry without plunging abruptly into the material. It then follows a combination of straight lines, G1, and circular arcs, G2. The machine then replaces the roughing tool with a finishing end mill. Using G23, the previously programmed machining sequence is repeated to bring the part to its final dimensions. The next operation uses a T-slot cutter. It approaches the newly created contour island from the side and machines a horizontal T-slot underneath it. Once again, G23 is used to repeat the existing program section until the final slot depth has been reached. The contour is then chamfered. A 90-degree NC spot drill follows the edge, creating a clean chamfer around the profile. For the final machining operations, the machine returns to the 10-degree inclined plane. After a short finishing pass, the surface is ready for the drilling pattern. Using G77, the drilling positions are calculated on a bolt circle. Instead of programming each hole individually, this cycle requires only a few parameters, such as the radius, starting angle, and the number of holes. Finally, the G82 drilling cycle performs the actual drilling operation. At the end, the plane rotation and the coordinate system shift are cancelled once again. The workpiece is now fully machined.